Hey guys, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Streak.crm for your customer relations collaboration, communication, and much more. So let's get into it. First, you need to click on this Add to Chrome extension. It's completely free. Now let's wait for it to load. And here it is. I will just change this email to another one. Let's choose this one. Then let's press on Add to Chrome, add extension, and here it has been successfully added. Now let's wait for it to apply the changes to the Gmail. Now let's make sure that this mail is the same mail that we used to sign in. So let's press on this email. And here we go. Here immediately Streak CRM applied some changes and asked me to sign in with Google, so I will confirm it. I will choose the account I used to sign in for Streak.crm. Okay, I will give it this permission. And now, okay, let's choose any one. Let's choose other, for example. Or let's choose, for example, email tracking. Okay, great. So now, as you can see, there are some changes that has been applied. This Streak pipelines was not available before. So let's check this new option by pressing on the plus sign. And here we are. So basically, it started showing you templates for many options. You can add the pipeline you want here. You can add sales, projects, business deviation, hiring, job search, investor, fundraising, orders, real estate, support, and you can custom your own template. So let's, for example, choose the sales. Here it shows you two sections, which are the stages and the fields. So basically, the stages are the stage of your customer, whether he is a lead, a contacted person, negotiating, or whether the contract has been closed, either lost or won. So these are the stages of your contract or you're dealing with your own customer. However, the fields here are some other columns which detect and shows additional information. So here you can see your stages. If you are unsatisfied with one of them, you can just press on the delete button here, and you can also, let's delete this one, and you can also add an additional stage. You can write whatever you want. Let's say, for example, qualification, or let's say QC, for example, QAQC. And we can move this, we can move this to any place we want. Let's place it on after contacted. So these are your stages. You can manipulate their color from here. You can choose any color gradient. Now you got the fields. These are the additional information regarding your stages. So basically, you can, the same what we did in the stages, you can delete anyone you want, like, for example, email thread account, for example, and you can add any new field. Here are some fields that you can add: calls and meetings, for example, tasks, email tracking, emails, and general. So let's search for calls and meetings, for example, and we can choose maybe last meeting. and you can control its place based on the priority of information that you want. Let's place it here. So you can do the same for projects and for the other sections here. However, I will apply my edits for only sales for the sake of the time of this tutorial. So let's press on create. Here it will ask you about the privacy of your pipeline, whether you want it to be private, specific people, or entire team. Let's place it to the entire team and press on continue. The team access, everyone on here I will choose either all my team or people with custom access. I will just choose all my team access and press on continue. You can also add to your pipeline. However, I will just skip for now. And here we are. So basically, these are the stages of your sales. You can press on the drop-down menu and you can see that you can rename it and manage a stage. You can also change the arrangement from here, and you can press on this add button and press on add box. It will add the box to the selected stage. So let's press that that's right, that we had lead 1 and we had a negotiating step. You can press on this plus sign, negotiating 1, and we had a closed won deal, so deal 1. So here you can see on the top that you have 3 counts as a total, and here is the distribution of your count. So we basically have 1 lead, 1 negotiating, and 1 closed won deal. Perfect. Here you can see your stages, but what about fields? If you want to access fields, you can press on this sign for any sub-item in your stages, and voila. Here you can see the fields. You can fill it the way you want. You can fill the information, and after filling the information in here, let's just fill a single info. For example, company size, let's say 1000, and press on add. Just like that, and return. Here, if we scroll to the right, you will see that it has been inserted in the company size for our lead. So basically, by pressing on this button, you can control all the data which is related to your fields. And once you finish editing your data, it will be displayed in the previous section. You can also here insert a column, you can insert a task, you can provide a call log, you can also provide meeting data, and you can upload any file. You can also invite your teammates from here. So this is basically how you can control your leads, how you can control your both fields and sales. Sales is controlled from here, and fields is controlled by clicking on this button. And you can do the same changes to any pipeline you create successfully. Finally, you can also integrate your data by clicking on this button, then select integrations and automation. Here you can integrate with multiple applications. For example, if you want to transfer your data, you can import or export from Google Docs or Google Sheets. So let's wait for it to load. It usually takes some time for the first time you access this option. However, when you access it for the second time or any other time, it will be faster than that. This is because it's setting up your options, so it takes time for the first time. Here, as you can see, you can export to Google Sheet, you can import from Google Sheet. So basically, it's collaborating with Google Sheets. You can also get notified using other applications. So basically, you can collaborate and integrate with other applications from this button. So if you want to return to your Gmail, all what you need to do is to just press on your inbox, and here is your ordinary Gmail. And if you want to return back to your pipelines, you can choose your pipeline from here, or you can create a new one from this plus sign. So using Streak is really easy. You can get started for free by just adding Chrome extension. Now you know how to use Streak CRM as a beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.